All right, and we're moving on to chapter 6, and it's equations. Finally, equations. And equations are kind of like a balancing act. So whatever you have on one side, you must equal the other. So it could be like 3 plus 2 has the same value as 5. And in algebra, we're always solving for what the unknown is, and an unknown is a variable. Okay, so let's look at that. In example 1 on page 438 asks you to solve x plus 6 equals 4. And then you're to check it, because everything you do in math, you have to undo it. So x plus 6 equals 4. And so we've seen this a lot. So you want to get the variable, which is x in this case, all by itself. So we're going to subtract 6 on both sides, because no matter what I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other, because it's a balancing act. So look at my format here. A plus 6 and a minus 6 cancels each other out to a 0, and I am left with x equals, and here we have our negative signs again, positive, so subtract them, you get a 2, and it's a negative 2. And so that would be something like, I have $4, I spent $6, so now I owe my mom negative $2. Always owing your mom. And the check is just the opposite. So you rewrite the question, equals 4. So it's a two-step process. And in this case here, you're going to substitute in. Remember substituting in? So important. And you're asking yourself, does that equal 4? And so it's always a question mark. And so sure enough, those are different signs, so you subtract them, and it's a positive sign because the 6 takes it. 4 does equal 4. So there you go. So you have to solve it and then check it. Remember, it's always a balancing act. Thank you.